Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're going to be fishing a creek. We're going to be fishing a creek that I've fished many a times before. But the section we're going to be fishing today is going to be totally different, if that makes any sense. Back a couple of months ago, I explored this creek where we're going to be trying to fish today. Looked super juicy. It was early on. You know, I was fishing for trout, didn't see any trout, but I have a feeling there might be some bass down here. So I figured I'd wait until like almost the summer months and give it another shot. So that's gonna be the plan today. As you can see here, guys, we're gonna hike the tracks here to where I think these fish might be. So I'll meet up with you at the water, guys, so stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, the only issue I'm having is when I was here a couple months ago, everything was still dead, but as you can see now, that's really all I see is greenery. So there's parts of this creek you can't really follow the creek down because it gets kind of sketchy, but this might be one of the holes I noticed, but let's go down and take a look. Always gunshots over here too. And the creek is so low because we haven't had much rain at all this year yet. We haven't had much rain this spring. I'll keep my eye open for some snakes. They're saying like 13 or 14 days in a row we haven't had any rain. It's kind of nuts, but trying to find a way down here. I should really have my tick spray on, but don't have it with me today. Let's try to get down. Oh, here we go. You get down right here. Right down here. Alright, guys, we're down here. Wasn't too far off. This first spot I wanted to fish is right up here. It looks like there's a deep hole. That's where I was trying to get to. I wasn't off by much, so we're gonna walk upstream here and see if we can get some fish. Kind of not seeing much, not even seeing any minnows in this section, which isn't good, but all right, guys, here's our setup. We have my 6'6" St. Croix light action rod with a Daiwa reel. That's a Daiwa Fuego 1000, and then we just have it with a 1/64 ounce jig head, made by Mule Fishing. It's so windy. That's my confidence bait right there, guys. The Gulp. I got 3 packs of these. So I got the yellow, natural, this color here I want to show you. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it today, but for trout, I have it in pink. So we're going to try yellow first. Rig this up here, pretty simple. Go through the middle of it. Just come out just like that. So when I was here last time, I was kind of set up over there casting. There's a lot of current on the other side of this rock. But we're gonna try here first. There's a fish. Little smallie. Nice to know there's fish here. Tiny little guy here. Like I said, that's where I want to throw, right where that waterfall comes in. Look at the natural color. Yeah, he's got a bit there. They're just nibbling on it. That was the first cast though on the natural color. Maybe this is what they want. There's a fish. Yeah, these are all small. That's a rock bass. A little small he is though. Little rock bass. Looks like we got a couple of holes here too, guys. This is the spot where I was just fishing. Right here there's one, I think there's one above that one. Alright. Kind of shallow, but we'll throw in there. Might be a trout or something. Might be a brook trout here. That over there looks pretty nice. That one's too shallow. Let's see what this one over here looks like. This hole. Go here first. Yeah, something's following it. Little fish. Alright, that's what we're going to try there. It's lure made by Nikko. It's a little caddis fly. It's 1.5 inches. Let's try this. Fish are jumping over here. Yeah, there's a bite. It there. There's a fish. It's a trout, guys. Trout or a fall fish? Trout. Alright. On my net today. Here, bro. Chill, chill, chill. Got a little rainbow. See you, dude. Here's a fish. There's another trout, guys. This one's better. Another rainbow. Just wet my hands here. Bro, easy, easy, easy. I'm not gonna eat you. There he goes. And basically how we're catching these fish, you can see here's what the current's coming in. Along this whole rock ledge over here, it's a deeper pool all the way down. And that's kind of where they're hanging out, waiting for the food to come down. And not sure how far upstream this gets fished. Not seeing any garbage or anything. Unfortunately, that's how I kind of see how heavily a spot is being fished. And I haven't seen any junk, no fishing line, no bottles. You guys, check this out. The creek opens up here. Alright. Looks like we got like a spillway up ahead there. Let's see the shallow side. I'm gonna stay on the right side. This looks deeper. On the tadpoles. Alright, this looks pretty good, guys. And this is going to be the deeper side over here. Let's throw it right in the middle, see if anything bites it. We got a fishing line in the tree there, but look at all the tadpoles. Look at them all. Check them out. Little guy. See you, buddy. Let's get this line out of this tree. Looks like they got a rooster tail in there. Why are they using, this is like 20-pound test here. Why are we using 20-pound test here, guys? Let's put this in my bag. Why are we using this braid? Guys, look at this braid. It's gotta be like 20 pounds. And they're throwing a rooster tail. 4 pounds, guys. It's all you need. When you're throwing a lure that small. Alright guys, we switched it up to a bee vibe. Let's see what's over there. Something a little heavier. It's actually just like a 2-inch swim bait. think he's jumping right against that shoreline. There's a fish. What is this? Little guy. Oh, small. Look at how small these fish are, guys. Like, why? That's like fish tank size here. Looks pretty juicy, guys. Oh yeah, that's awesome. There's a fish as soon as it hits the water, guys. A little better. Nope, not really. Felt better. Can't hear ya. Still can't. Can't hear you, bud. Biggest rock bass of the day. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it. We ended up catching some fish at the new spot on the creek. Nothing super exciting. We did catch those 2 trout though, so that's a plus. I wasn't even sure if there was trout that far downstream, but apparently there is, so. But I don't know, it was a fun night. I was able to get out a couple hours after work and do some fishing, so. And like always guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and maybe think about subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you and have a great day.